Hi unicorns! In today's video I'm going to be creating this beautiful New Year's Eve look, and look at my hair guys. I'm trying to do my hair now, so I hope you appreciate that. But if you're interested in how to create this look, then go ahead and keep watching the video. If you're not a part of the unicorn fam, then go ahead and subscribe down below and comment #unicornfam. Hey unicorns, in today's video I'm going to be doing a makeup tutorial. This will be a New Year's Eve makeup tutorial, so I'm really excited to show you guys some new products that I got for Christmas. To start off, I'm going to be using the Huda Beauty Mercury Retrograde palette, and I'm going to go in with this shade right here, which is called Off Balance. The next shade I'm going in is called Crash. It's this one right here. The next shade I want to use is called Vortex. It's this one right here. Now I will say these shades are very creamy. I really like that about them. And I'm going to go in with a glitter shade. I'm going to try with a brush, and then I'm going to use my finger just to see which one works best. So I'm going in with the shade Nebula, which is this one right here. I don't think it's going to work with a brush if I'm being honest, but that shade is really pretty. I'm going to go ahead with my finger. Alright, so that's what my eyes look like right now. I want to go ahead and do a quick liner to smoke it out just a bit. I'm using my CoverGirl Get In Line liquid liner. I'm going to be using this Buxom eyeshadow. It's called LBD, and it's just a black shadow. So I'm going to go ahead and use this to smoke out the outer corner right here. Just a little bit. Now I'm going to go ahead and use a wipe to clean that off. Alright, so now that I finished that, I'm going to go ahead and move on to the face, and I'm going to go ahead and use my Bliss Glow and Hydrate. This is a serum that has niacinamide in it and hyaluronic acid, so it's really good for your face. It helps plump it up. So I'm just going to Next up, I'm going to use my C-Rush cream. This is by Ole Henriksen. My Tatcha Silk Canvas, and this is like a primer for your skin. It's so good. I really like it. It's pretty much used up. Next, I'm going in with the e.l.f. Flawless Finish Foundation. This is in the shade Vanilla, and I've used this up so much. It's one of my favorites. I'm going to use my Artiste brush to blend that all in. I'm gonna go in with my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. This is in the shade Light Medium 29N. I'm also going in with my Huda Beauty Tantour in the shade Light. I'm gonna go ahead and use my Tatcha Dewy Skin Mist, and I like to apply this before I blend out everything. That way everything is kind of like creamier and it's smoother to blend out. So I'm gonna go in with this shade. It's a blush from Tarte. It's called Epic. I'm trying to finish it all the way up. It's one of my favorite blushes, but I already applied some over here. And I'm gonna apply it on this side as well. You kind of want to like drag it up. I haven't set my face at all. I like to apply the blush when my face is still wet and dewy. I feel like the blush goes on the best when you do that. So I like to tap it in like this since my face is wet and I don't want to drag any concealer or anything or pick it up. So I just do this right here, that technique. Then I'm going to go in with my Laura Mercier powder and I'm going to apply this pretty much all over my face. So I just contoured and bronzed my face up, and now I'm gonna use my Huda bronzer. So now I'm gonna go in with my Buxom mascara. This is one of my favorite mascaras. I've been using it for over a month already. Well, quite over 2 months already, I would say. And it's one of my favorites. So I highly recommend because it's very, very black, and on top of that it just curls your lashes so big. Although I only apply a small amount because we are putting on lashes under this, so it doesn't really, on top of this, so it doesn't really matter. Just try to get your inner corners, that way the lashes have something to stick on there because they kind of tend to fall off on me at least. And then underneath as well. I'm gonna go in with my Sleek Makeup Lifeproof 12-hour wear metallic eyeliner in Up to No Good, and it's kind of like a silver shade. I really like this, especially for looks like this, because it makes your eyes stand out just a little bit. Now that I've applied that, I'm going to go in with my Lily lashes. This is in the style Orlando. Alright guys, so now that I finished my eyes, I put on my lashes and everything, I'm going to go in with the shade Cookie from Benefit Cosmetics, and this is just their highlighter. It's super good. It's extremely blinding, so if you really like those wet type of highlighters, this is definitely the one. I'm gonna go in with my Buxom lip liner in Dolly Danger. Now I'm gonna go in with this little Kylie lip kit, and this brings 5 mini lipsticks in them. So I think I'm gonna go in with, I'm gonna use the shade Angel. Alright guys, so that is it for today's look. I hope you guys enjoyed it. This is a New Year's Eve type of makeup tutorial, and I think it's awesome for 2020, especially because we got this old fashioned, old Hollywood style waves, which is 2020. I mean, we're in the 20s now, so might as well be a little vintage, why not? But if you guys aren't subscribed to my channel, go ahead and subscribe down below and hit the bell notification button to get notified every time that I post. And if you guys like this video, then go ahead and give it a thumbs up, and also comment down below what your favorite product was. And if you have the Huda Beauty palette as well, just comment that down below. Alright, so thank you guys for watching. I will see you in my next video, which will appear right here.